Probably one childhood memory that made an impact of me was playing video games or being on a personal computer. You know, until now, parang kahit anong mangyari, I always need to have a PC to do stuff or to build one. It always was kind of like passion for me, or like a stress-relieving thing to always like be on a PC, play games, or just tinker with stuff. Parang therapy. Also, like my bikes, they're like therapy for me as well. I've actually wanted to do this for a long time, but wala, hindi kaya ng oras. But definitely, soon it's gonna happen. I wanna ride from Luzon to Mindanao and back. So Roro. Yeah. Most memorable ride, it's probably Christmas when I rode alone going to Baguio. Yeah. So, yeah. Parang ngayon, it's making quality projects. Parang you look forward to do like a project when you know it's really good, and you know that you could maximize your potential or you could grow a lot by doing this project. And so it's never really about the money or the fame. It's fulfilling your inner desire for doing something good or better.